Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a significant event in the Hindu religious calendar and the controversies surrounding it, the Kanwar Yatra 2024. The Kanwar Yatra is an annual pilgrimage where thousands of Hindu devotees undertake a journey to collect holy water from the Ganga river in Uttarakhand. This water is then offered at Shiva temples across the country. This year, the Yatra begins on Monday, 22nd July, marking the start of the Shravan month in the Hindu calendar. The term Kanwar refers to the device used to carry the water, consisting of a long pole with containers at both ends. Devotees, known as Kamvaryas, carry these structures on their shoulders, traveling hundreds of miles to complete their religious duty. In preparation for this year's Yatra, authorities in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh, issued an order requiring all eateries along the Yatra route to display the names of their owners outside their establishments. This directive has sparked significant controversy. This move has sparked controversy. Opposition parties and various groups criticized this move, viewing it as a targeted measure against Muslim and Dalit community traders. Similar efforts are underway in Haridwar, Uttarakhand, where restaurants, shops, and stalls along the Kanwar Marg are also required to put up nameplates. The Association for Protection of Civil Rights, APCR, an NGO challenged the directive in the Supreme Court. The plea argues that the UP government's directive is discriminatory. The Supreme Court, led by Justice Hrishikesh Roy, temporarily halted the order while hearing these petitions. The court granted liberty for related matters to be heard by a different bench led by Justice Hrishikesh Roy. Critics argue that this directive disproportionately affects Muslim traders and fosters discrimination. Even senior leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, including former Union Minister Muntar Abbas Naqvi, and allies like Janata Dal, United, and Rashtriya Lok Dal, have voiced their disapproval. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi called it an assault on shared Indian culture and a crime against the constitution. Adding to the legal challenge, TMC MP Mahua Moitra has also moved the Supreme Court against the Uttar Pradesh government's name display order. The Kanwar Yatra is a deeply revered religious practice for many. However, the recent directives and ensuing controversies highlight the complexities and sensitivities involved. We'll keep you updated as this story develops. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this and other important stories. This directive has ignited widespread debate, questioning its impact on social harmony and the rights of minority communities in the region. If this video captivates your interest, be sure to subscribe to our channel, appreciate our content with a thumbs up, and share the experience with your friends. Thanks for watching. Explore our playlist for more engaging videos. Subscribe and stay tuned.